Today is a momentous occasion. The reason for this is Erica's leaving the yard. Aha, when lost. Guten Tag. Good day. Malwene. Goeiedag. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SideHustleGarage, guys. It's been how long now?
Been a while.
Today is a momentous occasion. The reason for this is Erica's leaving the yard. For the first time since it came here, the furthest it ever went is to the pavement. So we're going to be taking it down now to Superstar Exhaust, which by the way today is our proud sponsor. Eugene, say bye bye, dankie for your choma. For those that's familiar to the channel, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. And also go check out our previous build, which was well documented, which was the K70 box. So that was the box. This is Eric, the E30. So if you're gonna go there through the box channel, you'll see there we actually went to Superstar Exhaust as well, and they sponsored us with a exhaust system as well. So super exciting. Amdias, shukran for helping me, bro. Yeah, we're gonna go now, brother. So the plan is to hook the car up. We don't have an A-frame yet. We're gonna push it. Are we gonna push? Let's see if his uncle got enough courage. As nothing as a 5-liter bottle. We'll have to get the brake. So oh yeah, the handbrake works. How effective is the handbrake though? Let me pull the golf in. Yeah. He's older than me. What do I profanity? Wie voor die? Is that how you treat your elders?
Wie is die elders?
Jy weet an experience.
Ja, wat jou meent het?
An experience is ek ouer as hy dit. And wealth in wisdom has to be found.
Post all like talking now. Post, ek wil nie met die camera nie. You see what you get, bro.
Tullie was die eentjes man. Amnias, is die stand mee, laat ons zien.
Ek is gemaakt vir jou.
Dat jy is gemaakt. Hey, dit. As
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work for you. Yeah, you always make me feel like okay. You never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Wat is er so stuff nou?
Van hy was baie mooi stuff.
So we made it in one piece, the car still, nothing broke, nothing. Kijk hier, voor is klaar, ready? Bestand.
Hey!
Yes, dede. Superstar Exhaust. Kijk hier, die andere mensen wat ook on board wil komen. We'll check the amount of views that we get. With the help, with the assistance, obviously, of our viewers and our followers. So there will be an investment for you to invest in us by sponsoring us with some parts. And the reason why we're doing the build is to educate the likeys also, man. It's like entertainment, you know, there's not much happening around here. So this is super expensive actually to do. Out of your own pocket, it's bruh, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. That's not cheap, bruh. So we can't possibly do this out of our own pocket without guys like Eugene here at Superstar Exhaust. So we're all about promoting local, and this is us promoting local. You obviously see some cinematics. This wasn't planned, by the way. No? What's up, friends? That's it, Dede. This is one of the go-to guys, bro. What maak je nou hier zo?
See steps.
Maar dat is die hele ding met scratchen wat bong. Ja. So they gaan wel lekker 2-3 seaten weer zijn achter.
Ja.
Nee, bro. So kettle rail, they do kettle rail. This is one of the kettles there. Completed. By the way, I've been coming here for years. En die is een hoofdveteran. Hij zei ook. En die is Chucky wat nog bezig is met de whole soort. This here is the owner, Eugene. Wat is, jij kent Eugene zo van Jaarsveld. In English it would say Van Jaarsveld. Ja. Want ons is ons is van Zuid-Afrika, so ons praat Afrikaans hier. We'll get to him in a bit. They're doing aluminium welding as well. When I initially came, they were just doing, I'd say about Willem, they were just doing mild steel, stainless steel. And they have since acquired this lovely little, as the amigo with TIG welder, Eugene? TIG welder. As a TIG welder. So you're able to come do your custom intakes as well, aluminium intakes, and if you need repairs done to your intake or aluminium work as such, so can I get come doen. But they do fabricate the exhausts from scratch. So if you have a custom engine, like there was a 40 with a V8, and it was sitting so close to the strut towers, no aftermarket headers or branch manifold was going to fit there, and they have to fabricate that. I wish I could actually show you guys that, but I mean, Eric's exhaust are no custom made, so we'll be documenting all of that, my bro. No? So they do exhaust, they do catheter, man, everything and anything else in between. They're super awesome. The main reason we've come here is the Vibra, as you can check. As you guys know, us, we're all about the Vibra. Without further ado, Eric, laten we gooien, my bro. That there for you is a locked up, bro. Ain't easy. I had a locked up as a daily, it's not as bad. There was a lot of myths, or rather there is a lot of myths surrounding driving with a locked up as a daily. That's fine, my bro. Thing is with a locked up, as opposed to an open diff, both wheels are turning together. So your inside wheel will be covering less of a distance than your outer wheel. So now, your outer wheel, that's it, covers a greater distance, so the inside wheel tends to turn with it, and that's what creates that sound. And that's just what allows the car to spin so lekker. Whoa.
Wat is die spijt van jou?
Ik like die jongen. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Eugene van Jaarsveld. Ons wil om aan die kant van ons al die fuel lijnen, hij kan gezet.
En hoe hard je hem wil, wat ze boksen van ons aardklub.
The louder the better. Now look at what we were trying to achieve. Have it like a loud for the pitch, but still retain performance. Look, you can't go too big on these exhausts, huh? Hey, that's a fuel tank. We can't go too big on the exhaust. We learned this from the shit box. We had like, it was an 1800 engine, and we had man, it was like a 57mm setup on there. Before that we had the standard exhaust, the standard headers or branch rather, for the PP exhaust, and the thing was moving, but at the moment we put a big one on, it sounded super awesome, but no power, bro. So it's very, very careful when you select these. Now the professional will know.
Okay, right. So, back in gear, get out. Eric's exhaust is fine. Willem, ek sê baie dankie vir jou. So we are now going to tow Eric out. And then we'll see how far we can get to the boat.